to Lady Mary Bat. Let's learn how to make gourmet chocolate dipped strawberries with some tips and tricks so that you can share Valentine treats with those that you love. We have washed and dried our strawberries. It's very important that they're at room temperature. That way the chocolate adheres to the strawberry a little bit better, and make sure there are no water drops because when water and chocolate mix, it seizes. So now we are ready. We have these placed on wax paper and we will begin by melting our chocolates. You will find various dipping chocolates in the grocery baking aisle. This is Choco Maker. It's the white Simply Melt. You can actually microwave in this container. And the baker's chocolate, they offer the dark and the milk. These are very easy. If you don't want to dip too many strawberries at once, you can also put it in a microwave safe dish and put a few of the wafers in and melt it in here. So it's really up to you how you want to do that. But it's very easy. You don't have to add anything else. You just microwave at 15 to 20 second intervals and make sure that you stir in between. This is another great option for dipping or for drizzling. These are vanilla flavored candy wafers I got at the craft store from Hobby Lobby. And I like the pink color so that we could do a little drizzle on our chocolate dipped strawberries. And again, you could just take a few of these and put in a microwave safe dish. You don't have to necessarily microwave everything. I have placed a portion of the baker's milk chocolate wafers in a microwave safe dish because I would like to do a variety today and I didn't want to use the whole tub. So we will put these in 15-second intervals and stir in between. Okay, now we will take one of our strawberries and dip it into the milk chocolate. Word to the wise, if your chocolate does seize up a bit in the microwave, you can always add a touch of canola oil to it and then it will smooth over again. And I like to let it drip a little bit, or you can simply wipe it on the side of your bowl so that we don't get too much of a base that forms. And that is just perfect. See how we let it drip a little bit? There we go. Remove the excess chocolate and we have perfectly dipped strawberries. We'll grab it by the stem and then we will dip it into our bowl of melted chocolate, roll it around, and make sure that you remove the excess chocolate just a bit to have a clean look. The pink vanilla flavored candy wafers have been melted and I'm going to place some in a pastry bag. This is disposable. We're going to clip the end. You could also use a Ziploc bag if you like. These are available on Amazon. They're very inexpensive and I will put a link in the description. So let's go ahead and put some of this in our pastry bag and we can have fun decorating. Put that down at the end. And we'll twist it. Okay, so now we have our icing and let's test it. Perfect. The pink drizzle is perfect for Valentines. You could also get creative and put a single initial or a monogram on strawberries. I've done that for parties. And the sprinkles are perfect. This is the classic milk chocolate dipped strawberry with white chocolate drizzle. This would be a fun kid activity as well. Let them use their favorite sprinkles and colors. And it really does go pretty quickly. My favorite touch, the edible gold heart glitter. You could even create a monogram for this. Really, anything goes. It's a nice kid activity as well. Here we've just done a little bit of a heart design and we'll put some sprinkles on it. I'm going to deliver these to some high school kids who are having a get-together tonight, and I know that they would like something a little bit more fun than serious. There are some creative packaging options for your chocolate dipped strawberries, especially if you're delivering these as a gift. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's a heart-shaped tin with a window, and these are actually labels that I have added. They are from Hobby Lobby as well. They are bottle labels meant for water bottles, and it's a really easy sticker to use. You'll see that we've placed it on a bakery box. These are inexpensive. I will post the link in the description, and you just add your seasonal label. It's absolutely perfect. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.